My name is Cristian Fabián Poder Espina. I am 35 years old. I am from Bogota. I am live on the English neighborhood. I am an administrative assistant. My hobby is play the soccer. I win my son, my girl, and my girlfriend. I am a student industry engineer. My favorite TV show is Chicago Fire. My favorite sport is the soccer. There are those two people and my family and one pet. My son is David Leonardo. He is 22 years old. He is a student. He is from Bogota. David is very intelligent. He is tall and skinny, and he has hair brown. My girlfriend is Mayerly. She is 29 years old. She is working. She is from Bogota. She is tall and skinny and has hair brown. My pet is a dog. Your name is Luna. It is 6 years old. It is a little and his hair is brown. Thank you.